Welcome to my YouTube channel Science Academy. Today we will study the mole. First of all, we will study the learning points, define what is mole and why it is useful in chemistry calculations. In second, we will study state the Avogadro constant and what it means in terms of moles and particles. In third, we will study use moles to calculate the number of particles. First of all, we will study what are moles. The actual masses of atoms, molecules and ions are way too small to be used in chemistry calculations. For this reason, we measure the amounts of chemicals in moles. The mole is a unit, its symbol is mole. Second, we will study the relationship between mass and moles. The mass of one mole of a substance is the same as the relative atomic mass of its formula in grams if the substance is an element. The relative formula mass of its formula in grams if the substance is a compound. What is the masses of one mole? For example, lithium has a relative atomic mass of 7. The mass of 1 mole is 7 gram. Second example is of water. Water has a relative formula mass of 18. 16 of oxygen, 1 of one hydrogen atom and another one is of another hydrogen atom. And the total mass is 18. The mass of 1 mole of water is 18 gram. Next, we will study what is Avogadro constant. 1 mole of a substance is the Avogadro constant number of particles, which includes atoms, molecules, ions or formula of that substance. Now we will discuss some examples of mole calculating the number of particles. Question is calculate the number of water molecules in 0.5 mole of water. Now we can solve it. Number of water molecule is equal to mole of substance multiply Avogadro constant. The value of mole of substance is 0.5 multiply 6.03 multiply 10 raised to power 23. By solving it, answer is 3.01 multiply 10 raised to power 23. Now we are taking another example of oxygen atom. Calculate the number of oxygen atom in 0.5 mole of oxygen molecule. And the formula is number of oxygen atoms is equal to mole of substance multiply Avogadro constant multiply 2, and here the value 2 is of 2 atoms of oxygen in oxygen molecule. Now by solving this, 0.5 multiply 6.03 multiply 10 raised to power 23 multiply 2 is equal to 6.03 multiply 10 raised to power 23. Students, there are some questions about mole. First one is why do scientists use mole to measure chemical amounts? The second is give the value of Avogadro constant, and the third is calculate the number of hydrogen atom in 0.2 mole of hydrogen H2 molecules. If you know the answer, write answer in comments. Now I tell you the answers of this question. The first one is, the question was why do scientists use moles to measure chemical amounts? And the answer is the actual masses of atoms, molecules and ions are way too small to be used in chemistry calculations. The second question is, give the value of Avogadro constant, and the value is Avogadro constant is equal to 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power 23 particles. And the third question is calculate the number of hydrogen atoms in 0.2 moles of hydrogen H2 molecules. And the solution of this question is the formula is number of hydrogen atoms is equal to mole of substance multiply Avogadro constant multiply 2, and the here 2 is for 2 atoms of hydrogen atoms in hydrogen gas. And the solution is 0.2 multiply 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power 23 multiply 2, and the answer is 2.408 multiply 10 raised to power 23. Here my topic is about to end. Thanks for watching my video and also like and subscribe my channel.